Yeah, man, my nigga Wes over here finna do, seems to be 5 plates on the leg press. Huh? Alright. Yeah, I be going to the gym with Wes motherfucking ass. Yeah. When you want me to do that? That was just, alright, that was 5 plates. You finna put 1 more plate on there.
It's still recording.
Put 1 more.
It's still recording.
Yeah. Yeah. When you want me. My nigga got 6 plates on there, on the leg press.
Nah, bro.
First time doing 6 plates. No pain, no gain, man. That's why we in this gym, man, getting big. Team Kush Jones.